Assalamualaikum. Hari ini kami akan tegangkan pasal ADAS System and Technology. Okay, the first one is ADAS calibration equipment. So we have Autel Maxis diagnose computer, then Autel calibration frame, laser mirror extension, then Autel 5-point laser, and then more than that Autel calibration, Autel calibration frame extension 1 and extension 2. Okay, untuk yang lain kami ada Autel frame laser extension HK, Autel laser point receiver, Autel laser plumbing, stream plumbing, digital angle spirit level ruler, and basic measuring tape and white masking tape. Okay, so detailed procedure step by step on each section of ADAS. Okay, so first, before we continue to what we call that, calibrate the ADAS, we need to check the tire pressure, checking the vertical ground level of the floor and of the workshop. Connect OBD2 sensor from Autel Maxis Y to OBD2 socket of the vehicle. Okay, next is we choose the vehicle manufacturer and select the specific model of the vehicle for which you are conducting the calibration. Then once we have select all the necessary settings according to the system requirement, we can proceed to the next step, which is involve scanning for any trouble code in the vehicle. Okay, there we can see the system of Maxis Y is reading the trouble code. Okay, after done dealing with the trouble code, we can now move and select the ADAS calibration function and feature. We must inform the system of the rationale for calibrating the camera. We will pick the most prevalent reason for recalibration of the front camera, which is front windshield replacement or the windshield replacement of the several options accessible. Next, system will tell us exact tool that is needed to perform the calibration. Other than that, the system also tells us on how to do the calibration.
Next is resources. We put tape and mark X on the tape so we know where is the center point. After done with the rear, we move to the front and continue to search for the center point by using magnetic plumb bore. For calibrating the front mount camera, the system will ask to put 5-point laser on top the front. Make sure the 5-point laser is straight front. We put the outer laser point receiver on the rear of the vehicle. We follow the selection of the reason for calibration. The system will guide us to establish a reference point and mark it. This reference point is determined using the front marker as a guide. Proceeding to the next step, we move and set up the Autel calibration frame and make sure to aligning the red stripe on the side of the Autel calibration frame. Then we proceed on installing the Autel laser guide on the Autel calibration frame. After that, we move the frame slowly and align it with the mark that we set, which has the length that was given earlier by the system. Then we align the frame to the point where the point of the laser is intersect with the front center point mark of the vehicle we made earlier. Once the calibration of the frame is completed, the next step involves extending the holding arm of the frame, which will secure the board used for calibrating the front mounted camera of the vehicle. Thus, once all the necessary preparations are complete, the next step is to position ourselves behind the vehicle in a way that Ensure the front-mounted camera is not obstructed by any object except the calibration board. Simultaneously, you can press the calibrate button on the system.
Next is a front radar calibration step and procedure. The initial step in calibrating the front radar sensor of the vehicle involves locating the rear center point of the vehicle. To do this, we use a magnetic plumb bob and masking tape. Follow this step. First, we have to attach the magnetic plumb bob to a point on the rear of the Proton at 70, ensuring it hangs freely. Second, use masking tape to mark the point where the bob hangs with a cross. This cross represents the rear center point of the vehicle. After that, after marking the cross, proceed to the position the outer 5-point laser precisely at the marked cross. Following the establishment of the rear center point, you will need to find the front center point of the Proton at 70 for the radar sensor calibration. Here's how you can do it. First, you have to use the magnetic plumb bob, just as before, to locate the front center point of the vehicle. Second, once again, use masking tape to mark the point where the bob hangs with a cross. After marking the cross, attach the outer laser point receiver at this marked cross and adjust the outer 5-point laser to align position for the front sensor calibration. Measure the length from the outer laser receiver to the specified point, selecting the correct vehicle model for accurate calibration. Values for the front radar sensor, as recommended lengths may vary. The outer calibration frame extension 1 is installed to ensure proper position and alignment of the outer calibration frame for calibrating the front radar sensor after the length measurement and vehicle model selection. After that, you have to install a precision laser onto the extension for accurate front radar sensor alignment. Align the entire outer calibration frame, including the laser, to a specific reference point based on vehicle model and manufacturing. The outer calibration frame should be aligned with the precision laser and then installed with the outer calibration frame extension 2, following the system instruction to ensure proper calibration process.
Next step, install a precision laser onto the extension for accurate front radar sensor alignment. Align the outer calibration frame, including the laser, to a specific reference point based on vehicle model and manufacturer. Next, the outer calibration frame should be aligned with the precision laser and installed with outer calibration frame extension 2, following the system instruction to execute proper calibration process. Next step, to install outer calibration frame extension 2, remove the precision laser and install the outer calibration laser mirror extension. This extension has calibration accuracy by providing reflect surface and alignment following the manufacturer instruction. The outer calibration laser mirror extension must be precisely aligned with the middle of the front radar sensor for accurate calibration, ensuring the sensor ADAS features are reliable. Next, the process of calibration the front radar sensor using outer calibration equipment involve aligning the outer calibration laser mirror extension in different orientation and tapping OK at each step, ensuring accurate calibration and improving performance in the vehicle advanced driver assistance system. The next step, calibrating the front radar sensor, involves adjusting screw to ensure correct alignment, crucial for accurate function and ADAS performance, and is provided by the system with instruction for varying screw loosening or tightening. And last step, the calibration process is confirmed by clicking done on the system. If the calibration is successfully and the front radar sensor is correct aligned, the system provides guidance on adjusting screw for correct alignment, ensuring accurate calibration for ADAS operation and vehicle safety. The conclusion, adaptive driving system ADAS are technology that use sensor, camera and advanced algorithm to exchange road safety by providing real-time information and enabling safer decision. Safe driving practice as a technology advance, ADAS is expected to play a significant role in the development of autonomous vehicle, future improving road safety. Thank you.